Yes. Viva. Wenzani mama?
Umntana uhambile ngo-Friday wayesikolweni nanamuhla kabuyi. Uyagula uyasheka uyahlanza kalala since Friday umntana kahle. Ikuca iyabheda lo mama lo akasicabangeli lo bakha abantwana baphumula ku private school abantwana la Friday newambeka sesibhedlela siyathatha la abantwana ubacile uhleli ngani bekahleleleni unikeza abantwana amafishi abonini uthi yena kanandaba mabapheke labo mama bakha abantwana bekho la manje uzivalele ngani uzofunani ngani ufunani ngani makeza so address abakuthi why banikeza and okokuqala amahlangu bekanikeza abantwana makuzovala isikole ama-food parcel yena kasawakhipha ama-food parcel uthatha nokudla kwalast year anikeza abantwana badle why angasabaniki ama-food parcel why angasabaniki
lokudla bakucheka mara
lokudla bakucheka abakucheki lokhu manje bayammela abantu abasebenza kuye bayammela bammelela naye bangafuni ukuthi eze la isitiki
ukuthi singumphakathi la e-Ward 7 kuzongena ikhansela kuphela why lizophuma ngaphandle lizositshelani athi ufuna sikhulume abantu abethu laba bebalapho esibhedlela akakwazi ukuthi ikhansela kangena yiwani ifuna athethe thina yebo kesifunayo yebo
bangasenjani akafuni ukuphuma ngathi basitshela ukuthi i-birth of education ila siyenzeni thina ngayo bakufa abantwana sinabo lesibhedlela bebakuphi bona leso sikhathi bebangekho
mara ngisho into kufanele ayenze kufanele aphuma azokwazi
sifuna ukuthi sikhulume nalabantu thina nathi sizizwele nathi sinama-question kwathina ngabantu bethu hhayi yena lo sikuzela
nokuthi ahlalisa ukudla ngalo okubolile anganikeza abantwana amakuvala isikolo njengomahlangu njengoba bekayenza
kahle lokudla lokhu abakudla manje yilokudla lokhu
walast year or walast of last year sikwazi
ama-inspector akhona akuphina
awekho ama-inspector awekho ngesikhathi mahlathi kusebenza nina la esikoleni bekufiwa abantwana yes so bekwahamba ubabamahlangu vele yi-nonsense la esikolweni siqolisana
akusukudla because ithraka leli nalisuka la lisuka khona la isho ukuthi I believe la believe isikole so why kuzoba la eGuqa kuphela akusukudala inkinga guys sibe honest ilapha ekitchen yes abadlanga bayafunda bathi Friday azange beze esikolweni
fuck ANC
Friday azange beze esikolweni nasizwa ngabo abazali abantwana abafunda la uyayibona ke
bona labo mama bazanga
bafikile ngisho bazophela umsebenzi wabo bazophela kungcono ngoba i-contract yabo yaphela besithi thina by tomorrow vele ukuthi sebaqasha abanye abantu sekungcono ngoba bathi vele Friday
nalokudla bakuphekelela abantwana kumanzi nawe angeke ukudle ngoba ngathi ulambile angeke akudleki ithanga alinashukela kumanzi
nathi hayi ukuthi kube khona umuntu azongena ayiwana ukhuluma sanibonani
yebo
yes nazo
ufakele
from the Department of Education. Sanibonani bazali. We are here to address your concern. Sifuna understand our concern wenu so that you are able to address them.
Okay.
Iyazwakala ni?
It doesn't make sense what you're saying. We don't have to consent. You know what we are doing. You know here. It's just
We are here to say no. That is why we are here for.
Specifically, I'm specific questions after the statement I'm going to make, so that man number questions you are able to raise them. One, food and health environment. Itetile assemble to go and check if our learners were indeed affected by the food industry. Two, the nutrition Department of Education came in the school on Friday and checked if the food is still fine, is not expired, and the food is not expired. So we are waiting for our results.
Mina Mr. Bukabi, was National School Nutrition Program, and then the processes of the department is they appoint a service provider. They have appointed a service provider, Muchavani Medical Construction, through tender processes. The province is responsible for appointing the service provider. And then the service provider that is delivering the food at the school is not only delivering the food at Wabuja, the service provider is delivering the food all the Manje, remember, if there is this type of an incident that has happened, we engaged, we have already done that. We have engaged the Department of Health, parents, all of us, so Tina City, as the department, we are not taking this as a simple thing. If we have foodborne illnesses, we will first suspect. Environmental health practitioners bevala esikolweni on Friday. Our processes were to anje. Every day, our mama babaqeda kupheka bathatha sample bayibeka. Ngiyangizwa ngithi
Yabona lezo sinyanyisa lento ixoxayo. Lezo sinyanyisa sizoforebe. Ayikho. Yabona le ixoxayo yeninyanyisa. Le topic emborana. Angifuni leyo.
lalelani bazali, please. Lalelani ngiyamcela, phela sifanele silungise le ndaba yithi. If sikhuluma sonke then angeke kukhona ukulunga. Thina silala because we are sithatha le nto leyenzekile asithathi kancane. Ngiyangizwa. That is why manje masikhuluma nje nani. azobuya and sizoliza sitshele ukuthi
ungajukabishi namuhlodisa abantwana
ukuthi
asimangele abantwana bethu
suspendile i-school nutrition because angeke siqhubeke sinikeze abantwana ukudla lokho ngiyangizwa ngithi so sizoqhubeka nge-school nutrition after we have received ama-results. Okay. Thank you.
High moral. High discipline. High moral. High discipline. Thank you very much. And Tata Papi, sikuzwile uthi ni suspende i-nutrition, i-feeding scheme. Bazali, thina sithi asisafuni kwa that nutrition what. Why can't the Department of Education isinikeze i-budget for this school? Kube isikolo sibe sona sisithengelayo i-grocery. This thing, the processes of tenders. Bazali, our kids are going to die because of one person. We say away with tenders away. With tenders away. Singamatenda phansi. Singamatenda phansi. Enough is enough, ngamatenda. Abantwana bethu bazoshona bazali because of nangu itendera bathi delivera ukudla iyodwa in all the 24 schools. They are going to kill all our kids. Abantu bazozwana lo muntu uyedwa lo uzofuna ukubulala abantwana bethu ayedwa in all the different 24 schools. Awa asisayifuni la. We need the Department of Education to come here. Isinikeze i-budget. Isikolo sibe sona sisithengelayo ukudla. This thing yamatenda must fall.
Amandla. Okay, mina circuit manager no Mr. Mhlahlule bengisacela ukubuza ukuthi njengoba nithi i-feeding scheme inisuspendile kwamanje ngicela abantwana bayafunda kwamanje bazodla yini in the meantime. That's my question number 1. Question number 2, manithi amasampuli athathwa every day la esikoleni ngicela khona la ma-results for the past 3 weeks. On Friday, abazali babalabantwana bebakhona na awisho ukuthi bathethe amasampula aright na mama abazali babalabantwana bebangekho nama-result lawasiwafuni
ukuthi izikolo ziyavalwa manje. Last abantwana badla ama-alpirima bashona bekusele iviki ukuthi izikolo zivalwe. Abantu sisalithola izimpendulo ukuthi kugcine kwenzakaleni. So yebo sona manje futhi le izikolo ziyavalwa Friday still ukuthi bavule izikolo sobe singazi next. So sicela ukwazi ukuthi i-report yamasampuli iyofika nini. Ngale yama-alpirima siyayicela. We are not dealing with that. Marale concern, we are noting it as a suggestion to the department. Njengoba kwenzakala so kungabanjani izikolo zinikelwe i-budget, then we'll also wait for the asidile ngalama budget because no Mr. Babe district and lezinto senziwa kuphi e-province. And then number 2 kwama-sample bazali, ama-sample is by law ukuthi siwathathe every day, but we don't test them every day. Siwatesta
so time ke di butcha bona e one traka e tla mo sekolong e tlo deliver go dijo ga e deliver mo kuka fela ga e tlo mo ila e shitse go metlo go nseng e tla me tlo deliver kuka fela e supply ya dikolo tse ka moka o di lambe every time bana ba mo kuka e ba bona ba ba jwa go fela
Mama, asifuna ukulinda.